So today we'll just focus on the prerequisite. So basically there is one Excel sheet which you should get. Probably it is there in the portal. Maybe you can ask, or this should be there. So here you have all the settings which you can make from a financial accounting, controlling, materials, logistics, general perspective. So all prerequisites which we will maintain now. So those things you can maintain in the system. Okay, this is an important step which is essential. Otherwise, you keep getting issues at various steps. Okay, so we will look into that part, and we will first start off with financial accounting. We'll try to finish this part, and then slowly move on to all these aspects. Okay, so let us now look at the financial accounting. Okay, let's go to SPRO, and in here, let us look at the first one. So you can just follow this and financial accounting, global settings, then global parameters, right? So let us go there. Financial accounting. Global settings, global parameters for company code, right? So in here, global parameters for company code, we have to maintain these global parameters. So all of those things are there, but there could be little, like chart of account is INT, but in our case it is different. So that update is something which will be done, and I'll share it with you. So in this case, we have, let us see what global parameters do we have. So ours is TM21. So since we have copied the configurations and all that stuff, so you'll have all those things readily available. So in this case, the chart of accounts, what we are using is YCOA. So all other things, credit control area is 1000. Chart of accounts is YCOA. So this is what you would have because you are referring to another company code, right? So you have credit control area, and then fiscal year variant is 0010. So fiscal status variant. Fiscal year variant is this one, K4. So this will be there, and posting period is 1710. So this is one posting period variant is 1710. This is important. So we will see here. Yeah. Posting variant. Okay. Now I will just update here. Posting is 1710, right? And then, okay, let me just posting period. Variant is 1710. Field status is 0010. Field status variant is. I'll update this and send it to you. So you can. Then what else is it? Okay, this one, credit control is 1000 and YCOA. This is YCOA. Credit control area is 1000. So these numbers were in the earlier server. So both are same here. So there was earlier 2020 server. In that we had all these things. So now in the new one, we have it different. So I will anyway take out that other one. We'll keep them here. So this is the first one. We should ensure that all these things are there, just in case they are not there, for whatever reason. So there are other places where they are maintained. So we'll check that out. Like field status variant is maintained in ledgers fields, defined field status. So let us go to. So we'll come out of this because we have the necessary settings all available. And just in case you want to take a look at um, the next one, the second one. This is field status variant. It is the same field status variant we had talked about 0010. So it is in ledgers fields, defined field status variant. And fields, and then define field status variant, so that you will have this out here 0010, and this is what has been assigned to our company code. So this is necessary for your GL account processing activities. Wait, let me open this up. Okay, we don't have to do anything here, but this is the basically the field status variant which we have assigned. That's the one we have assigned, right? Yeah. So this is okay. So this is where you will have to, and then you can once again, let me just check that out. Okay. Field status. Okay.
Probably you can double click that.
No, just wanted to check. Okay, all these 46 entries are there. See, what is important is that for this field status variant, these 46 entries have to be there just to that nobody has deleted anything or something like that. This is one quick check you can have. So that is what I mean. It has listed all of them. That is fine. So that is also mentioned here that 46 items are copied. So you don't have to copy anything. Basically, since you have already copied from the reference company code, so they are all available, but you just need to cross check that all the 46 items are copied. That's the only thing. So it is the same field status variant which you have checked here in the global parameters. So for that, just ensure that all the items are copied, so no one has deleted or anything. Because if someone deletes it and all that, it will create issues. So that is that. And then we'll go to the next one, and that is fiscal year and year-end posting. So that is also the thing we'll see in ledgers, fiscal year-end posting, right? In ledgers. Fiscal year-end posting. So fiscal year-end posting, maintain fiscal year variant, this one. So basically K4, it's pretty common. K4 has to be maintained. That is something which is, it will be there. Just cross-checking it, that's all. Yeah. Oh, this is field status variant, sorry. Fiscal year variant is K4. So field status variant is 0010, right? That is what we had for TM21. Field status variant. And now we want to look at fiscal year variant. Okay, I'm just looking fiscal year and posting periods. Fiscal year and posting period. Fiscal year and that. So K4 is what we maintain. K4 is the one which we have assigned. That is what is available. That is fine. 4 months, 12 months. Okay, that's all fine. Good. So assign a company code to fiscal year variant. That is also there. That will be the one. This is what we are looking at. So TM21. So this also you ensure that it is assigned. So we will use K4. So this is fine. No need to do anything here. So this is okay. This is also okay. Okay, this one I need to make this change. Okay, I will just. Okay. Then we'll go to open and open posting periods, right? So fiscal year end posting periods. Then let us look at fiscal year end posting periods.